for this problem, let's assume that a new 250-foot yacht costs $54 million and that we can expect it to last for 20 years, at which point it'll be worth $8 million. So the first question is, determine the depreciable amount. So that's going to be the difference between the cost and the value at salvage. So we start with 54, and I'll just put million like this, and we take 8 million away to give us a total of $46 million. So that's how much it will depreciate by over the course of 20 years. Now, for part B, if you want the yearly depreciation, we take that 46 million and divide it by a total of 20 years. And we can just do that right in the calculator. 46 divided by 20 to give us $2.3 million each year. So every year, it's going to lose that much value. Using this information, I'd like to fill in this table to show the book value as we go from year to year. I think I'm going to note that all values in this table are in millions, just so I can save writing all of those zeros. So to start with, I'm going to put the book value, which is 54, and that's $1 million. Another simple thing to fill in is going to be this column, the amount of depreciation each year. So it's always going to be dropping by 2.3 since we're assuming that this is constant. So I'll fill that in. So it's going to be 2.3, 2.3, and then 2.3. Now, the accumulated depreciation is going to, well, it's first going to be 2.3, and then we're going to add these two together to get 4.6. Then we'll add all three of these together to get 6.9. So that's going to be 2.3 for the first year, but we're accumulating what's happening in the previous years, so then it's going to be 4.6. And then lastly, if you accumulate the depreciation after 3 years, you do end up at 6.9. And then again, those are all in millions of dollars. Now this is going to tell us what the book value will be as we go. So if you start with 54 and you decrease it by 2.3, okay, so the book value after the first year is going to be $51.7 million. You could either, at this point, subtract this amount by another 2.3, or you can take 54 million and subtract it by 4.6. Either way, you're going to end up at the same number here. I'm just going to subtract by another 2.3, and now the value is 49.4 million. And if I do this one more time, I'll subtract off another 2.3. We get $47.1 million. So at the end of 3 years, the value would have dropped by nearly $7 million to this new amount here.